So we made it here in Livingstone, Zambia, where we checked out of our Airbnb, made it to the hectic intercity bus terminal in Lusaka.
We then took a bus that should have taken about 6 to 7 hours and somehow took 12 hours. So we arrived here after 9 p.m. and had a late night snack because we were both starving.
Now we're actually going to go do a tour at the Victoria Falls.
We are doing Livingstone Island and Devil's Pool. Aaron didn't exactly agree to this whenever I signed us up, but it's going to be cool.
We'll be switching to the phones and GoPro because of the rain, so let's go.
Checked in, fit it up. Aaron's super stoked.
We're here. We're all checked in. Now, those of you that might not know what the Devil's Pool is and why I'm so apprehensive about doing it and why she forced me to, is you basically go to Victoria Falls, go to this pool that's just at the edge. You hang off the edge part way to take pictures and make it look like you're just chilling there. But there's no safety harness. No, there's not.
They hold on to you, and you're only allowed to do it certain times of the year when the water level is low enough.
They got some dude in the pool just sitting there holding on to your ankle. No, this is not for me.
But yeah, we're doing it anyways.
Oh my gosh. All right, well, let's see how it turns out. We might not have it after for this video. Let's see. Thanks, Chelsea.
The world's biggest drama queen.
Don't leave anything behind.
I'm not leaving you behind.
Thank you. Happy after.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
It's delicious. There was one last drink I would have liked to have before I die. It would have been the hibiscus juice.
No, you've been waiting for that for a while.
Not the only one. Our guide said that's if we come back. We might not even get our breakfast.
But we have to come back. We already have a breakfast for us later. This part is actually completely dry. In the wet season, you'll have rainfall all right here, a big waterfall, and that side is Zimbabwe. He's going to show us over the falls right now.
Normally he doesn't.
He said he's going to save it for the end, but he's going to show us now.
Normally it freaks people out and they bail out. So
He didn't say that.
he doesn't have to say it. That is where we're going to hang off right there. I can't imagine what this would look like in the wet season. It would be so cool because right now, just behind us, it's super misty.
Yeah.
She's ready.
I'm ready.
Moment of truth. Will I get my wrap today?
I'm eating my porridge, so.
We're doing it! Thank you. Gotta count your lucky stars. It's not a human centipede, it's just a human chain. I'm gonna jump in, but not head first.
He went from being terrified to wanting to jump into the waterfall.
Well, when in Rome.
Yeah.
Right there? That was a fish getting me. Oh God, they're getting me.
He said don't freak out.
They're getting me. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
they're tickling me. I don't want to ruin the magic of the, oh my gosh, the fish won't stop. I don't want to ruin the magic of everything, but this is basically what it is. through. All right, it's our turn. Let's go. I'm gonna get my wrap. No.
We're gonna eat some breakfast. My one regret was not taking my sunglasses. I brought them here and then I left them behind, so I was like, I don't want to lose them. But then I'm just like squinting the entire time. So bring sunglasses.
How else could anyone see your beautiful eyes in the pictures, though?
They're not gonna see them anyways because they're closed.
Got our food. I got the bacon wrap. It looks absolutely delicious. And Erica
I got
some
porridge, which looks more delicious.
So we're gonna dig in, and we're gonna head back and talk about our experience. Made it back. We're alive. I had my wrap.
There's so much drama, you know.
I know. It really wasn't as bad as like everybody makes it out to
No,
be.
okay.
Even the photos.
Correction. It's not as bad as Aaron made it out to be for himself.
Well, the reason I felt safer is because the pools were actually not as heavy. So I was a little disappointed based on the pictures I've seen. I would probably wanted to go like right when they were ending the tour for Devil's Pool so that it's higher, or right when they started.
Yeah, so Devil's Pool they only do like 4 months out of the year. And it was actually really cool. I think if at all possible, people should come during the dry season, and then we want to come back whenever it's like full falls as well. Because it was really cool seeing like an area that a waterfall normally is, and there's just nothing there. You can walk on it. It's pretty cool.
Very cool. But definitely an experience I'd recommend. Maybe worth coming back to Victoria Falls twice just to get a bit of everything.
We're going to hang by the pool the rest of the day because...
Why not?
Nice. Why not?
So now that we finished exploring the Devil's Pool on the Zambia side of Victoria Falls, we are waiting on our ride to go over and explore the Zimbabwe side.
There is different ways to get across the border. It can be kind of a pain with multiple vehicles. So we just decided to book a transport service that's essentially going to take us all the way across the border into our next accommodation. And then we'll explore more of Victoria Falls on the Zimbabwe side. Stamped out of Zimbabwe. Or no, we're stamped out of Zambia.
So this has been one of the more painful border crossings. Now that we are in Zimbabwe though, let's check out our accommodations for the next 2 nights.
This is our tent for the next 2 nights. It's only $30, so pretty nice. But we have actual beds and a fan. So that's really all you need. That's all you need.
On top of that, if you didn't want to pay for a tent and you wanted to shell out for a room, you have the option. You have your showers right here, right outside on the grass. Just kidding, they're right here. You have a pool, a place to play volleyball, a stage for a DJ that's going to come later.
You gonna stay up till 1 a.m. with the DJ?
Never. I'm an old man. And you have a bar. And last but not least, you have a cafe where you can order food. Pretty cool accommodations, but now we're going to go to a brewery and then a sunset cruise later. We're here at the brewing company. What is it called? The River Brewing Company. We're gonna get us. What are you doing?
I keep accidentally zooming on your face.
Either way, we're gonna get a couple beers. It's been a while since I had some good craft beer, but we might get a little food too. It's pretty good. I just don't like the bitter aftertaste of IPAs anymore. I don't know why, but it's a highly quaffable session IPA, bursting with tropical hops, ideal for hot weather. The most important one is my Resurrection Ale.
So you feel resurrected.
No, it's named after a plant that resurrects magically. It's like, I don't know. That's good. But either way, we're gonna get some mac and cheese as well.
casually walking by some baboons. I'm just hoping they are nice. Arrived at the boat. To be honest, I don't know a ton about this. I just read that the sunset cruise was nice in Zimbabwe. So I said, sure, let's do it.
Look, we can do the Titanic.
Look, Jack, I'm flying. Got settled in, just leaving. Aaron's getting us some drinks from the bar. I thought you were coming with him.
No, I was photobombing you.
Oh, she is.
We got some snacks. A little egg roll, partially boiled egg roll, some sort of kebab, and a samosa.
Apparently, this was kind of like almost maybe a mini safari on water.
Yep, you're gonna see giraffes. I saw maybe. I saw something over there. I don't know. It's like a mini giraffe or mini safari, like here. So I'm excited. Dang, she looks good. Dang. What?
You still want to swim in the water?
I was thinking about it. I think I can be fast friends with this little guy.
The Zimbabweans told us we have to say water.
Water.
We spend too long saying the word water.
Takes too much time. But now I think we're going to end it and explore Victoria Falls on the morrow.
They were casually walking by Columbus. Don't know how I feel about that one either.
I don't know if you can see that, but it says that we're not allowed to feed the wild animals, so unfortunately I cannot feed this wild specimen right
I was
here.
gonna say we can't feed you. They increased their prices in the last few years, so the price is a little steep, I think, for what you get, but when in Victoria Falls. So we found Devil's Pool right here behind me-ish, where we were hanging over the waterfall a couple days ago. It looks more intense from this side than that side, but still fun.
Apparently there are cobras in the park. Who knew? Walking right by it.
Definitely not me. So we're obviously not at Victoria Falls anymore, but we got some food, we got some smoothies that I've been dreaming of. But kind of our thoughts of Victoria Falls, I guess. It was super expensive. We were only in there for like an hour and a half to 2 hours. It was $50. And I don't know for sure if it would be like worth it, but at the same time I think it would be one of the things that if I didn't do, I'd probably regret it. So I'd say still go ahead and do it.
Agreed.
But with that, we're gonna eat lunch, relax, and then tomorrow we're leaving Zimbabwe. We are off to our next country.